Rolling Stone co-founder Jann Wenner removed from Rock Hall leadership after controversial comments. Jann Wenner, the co-founder of Rolling Stone magazine, has been forcefully removed from his position on the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Foundation's board of directors. This comes after Wenner made several controversial comments in a recent interview with the New York Times, leading to widespread criticism. In the interview, which was published on Friday, Wenner made comments that were seen as both insensitive and divisive. He specifically targeted female and black musicians, causing an uproar within the music industry and among fans of Rolling Stone. The backlash was swift and harsh, with many calling for Wenner's removal from any position of influence within the rock and roll community. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Foundation, recognizing the gravity of the situation and the negative impact it could have on their reputation, quickly took action. They convened an emergency board meeting, during which it was decided that Wenner should be immediately removed from his position. The board members unanimously agreed that his comments were not in line with the foundation's mission of celebrating the diverse voices and contributions of artists in the world of rock and roll. Wenner's removal from the foundation's board serves as a strong message that such discriminatory and offensive remarks will not be tolerated within the rock and roll community. It also highlights the need for continued progress in promoting inclusivity and equality in the music industry. Throughout his career, Jann Wenner played a significant role in shaping the music landscape through Rolling Stone magazine. However, his recent comments have cast a dark shadow on his legacy, forcing both his fans and colleagues to question his true values and intentions. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Foundation, in contrast to Wenner's divisive remarks, has been actively working to honor and recognize the contributions of artists from all backgrounds. By removing Wenner from a position of authority, the foundation has taken a proactive step towards fostering an environment of respect, diversity, and inclusion. The incident serves as a reminder that the fight for equality and the elimination of discrimination is an ongoing battle in every industry, including music. It also underscores the importance of continually working towards creating a more inclusive and welcoming environment for all artists, regardless of gender, race, or background. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Foundation's swift response to Wenner's controversial comments sends a clear message that such discriminatory behavior will not be tolerated, and that all artists should be treated with the respect they deserve.